If you've ever wondered how to save in Tinkercad, the first thing you need to know is that Tinkercad works differently from many other apps. There is no traditional save button because Tinkercad is cloud-based and saves your work automatically as you edit. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how Tinkercad saving works, how to make a backup copy of your project, and how to export your design to your computer if you need an offline file. If this tutorial helps, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Now, let's jump in. When you open Tinkercad and start moving shapes around, changing colors, or adding parts in circuits, the platform is constantly syncing your changes to the cloud. That means every small edit is being saved in the background without you needing to click anything. If you look near the top left corner by the Tinkercad logo, you may notice a message that says Saving, and then shortly after that, All changes saved. That is Tinkercad's way of telling you your work is safely stored online. As long as you have a stable internet connection and you see that All changes saved message, you can safely close the tab, switch projects, or even return to your dashboard without worrying about losing your progress. So if you were searching for the Save button in Tinkercad, the answer is that Autosave is already doing the work for you. Now, if you want to save a backup version before making a big change, Tinkercad gives you a simple way to do that with the duplicate feature. To do this, go back to your Tinkercad dashboard and find the design you want to copy. Hover over the project, click the gear icon, and choose Duplicate. This creates a separate file labeled something like Copy of your design name. That is perfect when you want to experiment without risking your original project. You can keep the backup untouched while editing the new version freely. This is one of the best habits to build, especially if you are working on important school projects, 3D prints, or circuit designs. If you ever make a mistake, you still have the original ready to go. Next, let's talk about saving Tinkercad designs to your actual computer. If by save you mean exporting the file for offline use, printing, or sharing with other software, Tinkercad makes that easy too. In the top right corner, click Export. From there, you can choose the file type based on what you need. For 3D printing, common formats include STL or OBJ. For laser cutting, you can choose SVG. After selecting the format, Tinkercad will generate the file and download it to your device. That file can then be uploaded to Slicer software, sent to a printer, or stored on your computer as a backup. So to recap, there are really 3 ways to think about saving in Tinkercad. First, autosave keeps your changes stored in the cloud automatically. Second, duplicate lets you create a backup version of your design. And third, export lets you save the project as a file on your computer for printing or offline use. If you are new to Tinkercad, understanding these 3 options will save you a lot of confusion and help you work much more confidently. Before you go, remember this. If you see All changes saved, your design is safe. If you want a backup, use duplicate. And if you need a downloadable file, use export. If this video helped you figure out how to save in Tinkercad, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.